opening up toys like we always do. Sophia, what do you have?
I have some puppies only to play with. No, I have a haircut puppy.
It's a for real puppy.
And look.
While you're opening up that, I'm going to be opening up a Justice League Action Superman Justice 1. And I have a Miles Thorman, which is already sealed up. I opened because, you know, it's going to take forever. So let's get this baby out of here. Let's get this right in service. I don't know where this thing goes. This box here. Okay, since we're done this one, we got a sealed up Justice League Action. Pretty excited.
This one is the girl that's the boss, and these ones are the 3 little kids.
Shave things? Oh, okay, I got the ship right here. All things. That's it. That's it. Seriously, that's what you come with? That's what you bully me?
Oh, so like you can prank somebody like when they're sleeping, you can be like, and then get it, and then he's gonna be like, oh, you shaved my hair, and then you can prank them like
And it's like a plastic.
this. Wait, let me try. When you're sleeping, sleep.
I don't want to hear that in my dream.
Okay, we're gonna cut his hair.
Headshot.
Oh, this one's cutting.
That was easy. It was sealed up in this stuff. I'm gonna shoot that trash right over there so gently. Limited edition. You know, this comes with lasers. Comes with like a laser thingy majiggy my ball.
A hair salon is coming up, and these little puppies are waiting.
So I got that. I got this. I got you. I got you. I got this. I got you. I got this. I got you that. I want to destroy you. I want to destroy everyone in the world. Fulfill my dream. Fulfill. So, no, I'm gonna dream about that in my sleep. Look at that. Flying machine. Flying machine. No. Oh! You got roasted. Oh wow, that's so cool. That's actually pretty cool. Even though this is for little kids. I can get it, but I want it to be somewhere like in the middle. Let's try if it could be in the middle, then replace it with something else. Okay, so I think this is pretty cool in the middle. I'm gonna create my own stuff. Then after this goes in the bottom, like silent, so no one knows. Like, oh my gosh, this actually might work. Like if it lands and like Joker is in the way like this. Oh, Joker, I'm in the way. Ha 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 ha. And then after like, get ready to get bursted. You do this. Get ready. You land. See? That's easy. Easy. My own creation.
This is how she looks like. Hey, get this out of the way.
So I'm done it, and this is actually pretty cool. It's like a laser machine. Pew 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 pew. Ah. Okay, this is like a magnetic. I can't see. I can't see. Comment down below what you see. Comment down below. I don't know it yet. I'm gonna destroy the world. I'm never gonna get destroyed. Never. I'm gonna win this battle. Are you seriously think you're gonna beat this battle? Yeah.
It's my fourth one.
Oh no, I just caught this right. I'm not gonna get this stuff. Destroy them lasers. I'm gonna get off, please. And Shablamo! What? I thought that Shablamo. This thing goes right. One down, two to go. So we're gonna do still wonderful. What do you think?
I think it's a 5.
and I think it's a bad. So if you like this video, smash that like button, hit the bell notification so you never ever miss a video, and hit that subscribe button. And looks like, oh yeah, so I'm good. Bye.